In this video, I will show you how you can find the recycle bin on any Samsung tablet. Now to do that, first of all, just open the Files app on your tablet, then tap on the three lines over here. After you extend this page, then just scroll down and at the bottom of the page, you will find the option for trash. Now just tap on it, and after you do that, you will find the recycle bin of your Samsung tablet. And over here, you will find all the files which you have deleted on your tablet. And also there is another method to open the recycle bin. For that, just go to your home screen and open Settings. Under Settings, just scroll down and tap on Device Care. From here, just tap on Storage. And on this page, you will find the option for trash. Now just tap on it. Now if you have deleted any photos or videos, or if you have deleted any files, the option for gallery or the files app will be shown over here. Now just tap either of them and you will open the recycle bin section of the selected app. And this is it. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you for watching.